Is your MacBook Neo's built-in camera not working? Whether it's showing a totally black screen or looks blurry in certain apps, there's usually some quick and easy fixes that you can try. Let's walk through the top solutions to get your camera working again. First, let's check out some basics. If a third-party screen protector is covering the camera cutout, it can cause black or blurry camera. If it's not working on any certain app's video call and if it's showing blurry screen, make sure your Wi-Fi is fast and functional. If that's not even the issue, disconnect your call, click on the Apple logo, then click on Force Quit, select that app, and force close that app. Along with that, make sure to wipe the camera area with a dry cloth in case there's any dust or debris that's covering the camera lens. Then relaunch the app and see if your problem is now fixed. If not, for once, just restart your Mac Neo. Sometimes camera issues happen for minor glitches, and a restart can quickly solve it. After restarting, before moving on, check for any pending software updates and install them if any updates are available. If the problem persists, especially in any certain app's video call, open Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, then at the right-hand side search for camera, you might see a few apps that already have camera access enabled. Just toggle off the camera access button and then on again to restart the function. If it's a recurring problem, next, open Spotlight Search and search with Activity Monitor. Click on the three dots and then click on System Diagnostic. Hit OK, put down your Mac password, and the diagnostic will start. If there's a serious issue, the diagnostic results will show it. Then you can review them or take your MacBook Neo to a service center. Thanks for your time.